Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Attracted to me. Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Come wind up by me.
I hate when my hair's low like this. Makes you look like a little kid.
Just like my mama talk, she just stopped and go on and on. I gave that prompt stop that car.
If only you guys could see how his foot was hitched up on my foot just now when he was doing my hair.
What foot when hitch up on you?
You had to like you're catching it up and using your foot to brace me.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Too lying, man.
Just because you're in a boxer, that's why I can't. Ziggy.
Yo.
What are you doing?
Stop moving. Yeah, make it sitting. Good.
My bag.
That's, there you go.
Tell them what you just did to me.
What?
Made me getting dressed, ironing clothes, and all this stuff.
Oh, I know me make you put down makeup and something. It's enough?
It's too low. Like, that's not even in. You know you're gonna tangle up my hair. I'll do it either. Show your chicken chest. So we just got to Mobay. We're about to bowl right now. Last time I came here, I actually lost all my footage because my camera decided to be, the chip decided to be extra. But, where's Chilla? Chilla. So tight, that's tight. That's tight, yeah.
Yes, banduli face, huh?
Can I see a 7?
She's happy getting free, so like.
Do you have 6.5? Wait.
So yo, everybody have a, you know, the size 12. Boss said, so him was have a beat a size 12.
I know say big on my foot still.
Yo, this
Yeah, big on my foot still.
you know how to
So we're all in here choosing our ball. You have your ball?
Yeah.
You have your ball, Chilla?
Oh, I made it on side. Yeah. I feel your ball if you use, you know. Oh, oh, oh,
Ow! That's so hard! What kind of soft roll?
everything in that again. thumbnail.
Those ones. Gutter. So I'm winning. Yeah, boy.
The first troublemaker.
Supposedly Bigga and Chilla won the first one, but I'm pretty sure I saw me and Ziggy did. Where are you going?
We won.
Seriously? No, we won.
We win.
We still are win. Who can't go in there? So what, you think they're gonna ID me?
No. Everybody has a big deal.
I've never, no, the one that, you know, down Mobe? On the strip, I got ID'd at that one. The worst.
Worst like we are drinking Pepsi.
Open the bus. Open me, put the sweater in there, please. Can you open it? Freaking boy. And then we're trying to go into the casino right now. But I already look young, so I know I'm gonna get ID. You have money to gamble? You have money to gamble? Well, that was fun while it lasted. Even though we got there kind of late, but we still got 2 games in. My fingers hurt. My finger got stuck in one of the balls. But I'm gonna leave my camera in the car. What? I know, we're finished so early. I'm leaving my camera in the car because I cannot bring in the casino. I don't think you're allowed to. Be right back, y'all. Boy, your chair almost dropped. Hey guys, so this is Ziggy's cousin. The one I posted on my Snapchat. With the little boy that you guys are saying is so cute. That was her baby. This is Janelle, aka White. We just came from the tailor, you know, because I had to tailor a shirt. And now we're heading back up. And of course I have to walk to catch taxi right now. But thank God it's not hot. It's not too hot. But we have a little walk to go. Let me show you all. It's so nice out. Yep. The breeze is nice. It's not too hot. It looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't know. Beach is that way. It has like the nicest views. The beach is like right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. I would live on this side, you know.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Beach is just a couple of minutes away.
Yeah.
You actually walk it.
Over there? Yeah. I think that's what someone was telling me. Real yard life. Bush life. Literally the whole, like where we stay is like bush. Straight bush. But it's not even like it's a bad walk. Sometimes it's not like walking out here.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, let me see. What am I doing today? I'm not doing anything. It's the only thing oh yeah, we drive on the opposite side. I don't know what I'm doing today. What's today? Saturday?
Yep.
I have nothing planned. Probably cook something. You know, last time I want to cook shrimp. Can you cook?
Yes, I can. But I'm not that advanced in this.
You're wifey, so you have to know how to cook.
Yeah, me know how to cook, girl. But me just don't know how to cook shrimp.
Seriously, it's so easy though. You just put a little oil in the pot, dash your shrimp in there if you want curry it or whatever.
This is how way I go and burn to Do you love to know why?
Still.
I mean, I can't cook other
There's a
things.
goat in the road back there. You can cook. What you can cook? What can you cook?
I can't cook chicken. Yeah. What else did I ever cook?
Only chicken you know how to cook?
Chicken. You don't know they do pork.
Pork, eh?
Yeah.
What about beef?
girl, why you have the internet for? Yeah. And then,
What you have the internet for?
yeah, I mean, you look up, callaloo,
Yeah.
cabbage. Can you remember
Aki?
Yeah,
Tin mackerel?
Yes.
Yeah, real people food.
Yeah. We don't go to, we have to put in tin mackerel there.
Yeah. What they call it, dirty gal food?
Yeah, that shows, flash shows, yeah.
Yo, that's
What
real
else?
food. They always laugh at me. Ziggy them always laugh at me because I'm always eating tin mackerel when I'm in Canada. I love tin mackerel though.
Where? Me eat it so till the tired of it, man. Me I get a break.
Should I walk up my camera? You know, I'm gonna go fill up my phone.
Me I tell you, say, what? Okay. Me can't cook, you know.
I don't know. I feel like with Jamaicans, they cook the regular like stewed chicken, curry chicken, fried
Me
chicken,
get tired of it.
fish.
Mm-hmm.
Rarely you get like beef,
Yep.
shrimp. I don't know. Yo, I don't know how Ziggy does it.
The rare though that sometimes you step out of the box and like you try for like probably do mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Do it with chicken.
But you know,
or
it's like sometimes it's hard for me because Ziggy doesn't really like fancy certain stuff.
Yep.
Like the other day was the first time he had Burger King breakfast, and it was like hash brown, egg. He didn't like the bacon though. He said he doesn't like bacon.
No, cause well, you have to know,
Process.
say when the Jamaican man them grow up and them mother cooking massa. And that's
Yeah.
what they're you have few persons who are peculiar that certain things they don't like.
Yeah.
And they get used to certain things that they will want to change, but regularly persons here is just chicken,
Yeah.
rice, grown provision, your
Yeah,
yam,
yeah.
your banana, stuff like that.
I don't
So
know how he's gonna manage because I cook everything, I eat everything. Well, not everything because I only am sushi. But
it's jerk frog.
ew. Or I don't like rabbit. One time they tried to give me rabbit out here. I'm like, are you mad? Like, no. I don't like this road, I don't like this road.
Yep, very narrow. Very
Every time I'm vlogging out here, people just stare. Like, what is this girl doing?
Yeah, because persons
My arms
don't
hurt.
usually do that. Like it's kind of
Weird.
Not common.
Yeah, even when I'm
Yeah.
in Bay, oh God.
Yeah,
The way how
it's
everyone
not-
just stare, I'm just like,
Yep, it's not common. The persons look at you like weird. Like,
what is she
she's
doing?
actually doing that like with your phone. Yeah, that's
Not
how
the
they
heart.
say you wash out your
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, come back now. My cry.
He's crying.
Hello.
So just got back home. Here doing some laundry, pinning out clothes, and I'm about to. Ziggy went to go get some shrimp for me because I'm gonna cook. About to clean up the kitchen and start cooking. It's like it's about to rain, but then the sun's just coming out right now. This weather's been so up and down since I've been here. Like 1 minute it rains heavy, and then the next minute it's like hot. It's so weird, but I feel like lately, ever since I've been coming out here, it's been raining like crazy. But that is the pre-mint. Yeah, so I'm gonna go tidy up the place a bit, tidy up our room, change our bed sheet, and finish do laundry. Because it's been raining, we didn't really get to finish all our laundry. So it's not even like it's a lot of loads, it's like a lot of small loads. And yeah, so hungry, need to go find something to snack on. Today's gonna be kind of a relaxing day. Not really doing much. Yeah, it's gonna be a very chill, relaxing day. And I need to go wash my hair because my scalp is itchy again. I'm gonna go. I did treatment last week, so I'm just gonna go wash it and oil my scalp. Mosquitoes are crazy out here. But yeah, that's about it. So I'll tune back in with y'all. Maybe when I'm cooking, because last time I said I was gonna come back when I was cooking. I ended up just cooking, and I didn't vlog. So yeah, I'm tired of meat. I'm tired of like chicken and beef and fish. So that's why I'm like, let me try and cook fish today. I mean, that's why I'm like, let me try and cook shrimp, something a little different. I'm just debating if I wanna like saute it or if I wanna curry it. I don't know how Ziggy's gonna be with the saute shrimp. But I'll see when he comes back, because I know he was saying he wants a lot of veg. He hasn't been eating a lot of veg, so let's see what I'm gonna do. Or maybe I'll do some steamed veg on the side or something. But that is basically it. I'm gonna go finish, pin out these loads, and tidy up the kitchen and start cooking. So I'll see y'all in a bitsy bit.
Yeah! Stop saying my name, give no.
Look at this car's drifting.
How am I just a while ago? I give him my Unbreak man just use.
No, when you're drifting the whole back is like
break that.
Bro, that's not drifting.
Unbreak man just use this.
That's not no drifting.
So yeah, tell me.
It's just sliding.
Yo, bad man. Crash the man, crash the man. Gonna drift that. Right now, yo, brothers, you should have said, go around to come run up, go and come right to it.
So hold on. If you boss say come round, I'm going to suppose I'm breaking, I'm grown, I'm going to.
Bro, there ain't no marks on the floor.
Yo, man, be a side, yo, look at that. Yo, look at that, bad man. Man, be a side, the car, man, come right to it. I'm going to the man, catch the car, dog.
You're my Jeep already. I need to fly him up in the top.
That's the Jeep now. Get him more.
Can't.
You can't, you know.
No.
Yo, wonder about the head of blood clot, master.
I mean, should I give?
A slide. I even forget that the big game on the Jeep.
He's putting the big head in the camera.
Yes, let's step by and get there.
Get him more.
Ziggy.
Get him more.
The dog just tires out, you know.
Where's that drifting to though?
Yeah?
So supposedly these guys are drifting. They don't know what drifting is.
Nowadays, I bought the dog tonight, dog.
Waiting for someone to drift like. Trying to block the light.
Bike.
Man walking right on the bike.
I care, man. Blood clot bike.
No, that bike just do that. Alright, go down someone.
Where's that young beer there?
Wrong view, we're coming like maybe choose shampoo.
And the beer to 4, man.
I'm hoping you take some of this up.
Bro, I've been waiting for my chicken. Been waiting for my chicken all night. I can't get my chicken. Everyone's getting served before me. Face, don't forget me, huh?
Yeah, you must have them.
Give me a piece of plastic here, that's it.
But the dog just button it a while ago. Yeah man, and they press button like it skid over. Yeah man,